In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Shopify with your CRM, such as HubSpot or Salesforce. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, helps you track customer data, manage leads, monitor sales activity, and build stronger, long-term relationships with your customers. When you connect Shopify to a CRM, your store data automatically syncs with your customer database, giving you a complete view of your business in one place. This integration allows you to segment customers, run targeted marketing campaigns, track purchase history, and improve customer retention more effectively. The good news is that Shopify supports direct integrations with popular CRM platforms through apps and native connectors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect Shopify to a CRM, sync your store data, and configure the basic settings for smooth operation. So, let's get started. The first method is to install your CRM integration app. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for your CRM platform such as HubSpot or Salesforce. Review the app details, including features, pricing, permissions, and compatibility before clicking Install. After installation, connect your CRM account. You will typically be prompted to log into your HubSpot or Salesforce account and authorize Shopify to access your CRM data. Once connected, begin configuring your sync settings. Choose what data you want to synchronize, such as customers, orders, products, and abandoned carts. You can also set rules for how customer profiles are created and updated inside your CRM. Next, set up tracking and automation. Many CRM integrations allow you to automatically create leads, trigger workflows, and assign tags based on customer behavior. For example, you can automatically tag repeat customers, high-value buyers, or abandoned cart users for follow-up campaigns. After configuration, perform a test sync. Create a test order in your Shopify store and confirm that it appears correctly in your CRM system. Also, verify that customer information is being captured and categorized properly. In most situations, this is all you need to successfully integrate Shopify with a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install the CRM integration app from the Shopify App Store. Second, connect your CRM account and configure data sync settings. And third, test the integration to ensure customer and order data is flowing correctly. Remember that integrating your CRM with Shopify gives you a powerful advantage in understanding customer behavior and improving marketing performance. It helps you move from basic order tracking to full customer lifecycle management. Keeping your data clean and properly synced also improves automation accuracy and reporting quality. And that's how to integrate Shopify with your CRM, HubSpot, Salesforce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.